GoToBank Online Bank Review 2025 Worth it or leave it? In 2025, online banking continues to evolve at lightning speed, offering new opportunities for convenience, speed, and financial management. One name that has been gaining traction is GoToBank, but the big question remains, is GoToBank truly worth your time, or is it better left to the side while you explore other options? Today, we'll break down everything you need to know from account features to fees, benefits, drawbacks, and practical examples so you can make an informed decision. Let's start with the basics. GoToBank is an online-first bank designed to provide accessible banking services to customers who may have struggled with traditional banking. Its mission is to simplify banking while providing products that help people manage their money more effectively, from checking accounts to debit cards, and even savings opportunities. GoToBank aims to combine functionality with ease of use, all within a fully digital platform. One of the most attractive features of GoToBank is its fully online checking account. Unlike traditional banks, there are no physical branches, and all banking is done through a mobile app or online portal. The account provides standard banking features, including direct deposit, bill pay, ACH transfers, and mobile check deposit. This setup is ideal for individuals who are comfortable managing their finances digitally and want to avoid the hassle of branch visits or long lines. The GoToBank debit card is another highlight. It functions like any other debit card, but is tightly integrated with the GoToBank app. Users can instantly see transactions, set spending limits, and receive real-time notifications whenever money moves in or out. This feature is particularly useful for budgeting and preventing overspending. For instance, if your monthly income is $3,000, you can monitor expenses in real time and adjust spending before you hit your limits, helping prevent overdraft situations. Speaking of overdraft, GoToBank offers one of the most flexible overdraft programs in the digital banking space. Eligible customers may receive up to $200 in overdraft coverage without additional fees if they qualify. This feature can be a lifesaver for people who occasionally miscalculate their balances, especially when compared to traditional banks that charge high overdraft fees per transaction. GoToBank also provides access to early direct deposit. Many users get their paychecks up to 2 days earlier than traditional banks, giving them faster access to funds. This is particularly advantageous for people living paycheck to paycheck, or those managing irregular income, such as freelancers or gig economy workers. The early access to funds allows for better cash flow management and helps avoid late payments for bills or rent. Another unique feature is GoToBank's savings capabilities. While the bank primarily focuses on checking accounts, it offers a high-yield savings option called Savings Boost. With competitive interest rates in 2025, this allows users to earn more on their balances compared to traditional savings accounts at brick-and-mortar banks. Coupled with automatic transfers from checking to savings, this encourages financial discipline and helps users build an emergency fund without thinking about it. For example, setting aside 10% of your paycheck each month into Savings Boost can quickly accumulate a financial cushion over time. One of the standout features that GoToBank emphasizes is financial inclusion. Unlike many traditional banks, GoToBank doesn't require a minimum balance to open an account, and its account setup is fast and straightforward. This makes it accessible to individuals who may have been excluded from traditional banking due to fees or credit issues. The platform is designed to be intuitive, making it easy even for first-time banking users to navigate and manage their finances. Security is, of course, a major concern with online banking. GoToBank uses advanced encryption, two-factor authentication, and fraud monitoring to ensure customer accounts remain safe. The FDIC insurance covers deposits up to standard limits, giving users peace of mind that their money is secure. Additionally, the app provides instant alerts for unusual activity, which helps prevent unauthorized transactions from going unnoticed. Let's talk about fees. GoToBank markets itself as a low-fee alternative to traditional banks. There are no monthly maintenance fees for the standard checking account, no minimum balance requirements, and no hidden costs for basic services. Some optional services, such as expedited card replacement or paper statements, may carry fees, but the essential banking functions remain free. This transparency is particularly appealing for users tired of hidden charges that plague traditional banking. Despite the many advantages, GoToBank has some limitations. First, as a fully online bank, there are no physical branches. For individuals who prefer in-person support or require services that necessitate branch visits, this can be a significant drawback. While the bank offers customer support via phone and chat, response times can vary, especially during peak hours, and complex issues may be harder to resolve remotely. Another limitation is the lack of advanced financial products. GoToBank focuses primarily on checking, savings, and debit card services. It does not currently offer business accounts, personal loans, credit cards, or investment products for users seeking a one-stop financial institution that covers everything from banking to lending and investing. GoToBank may need to be supplemented with other financial services. To provide a practical example, let's imagine a freelancer earning $4,000 a month. Using GoToBank, they can have their paycheck directly deposited 2 days early, automatically transfer 10% into Savings Boost, and track all expenses in real time through the app. If they occasionally overspend, the overdraft protection covers small discrepancies without fees. Bills can be paid online, and the debit card allows for contactless payments everywhere Visa is accepted. This workflow streamlines financial management and reduces stress, demonstrating the value of GoToBank for digital-first users. A surprising truth about GoToBank in 2025 is how it leverages technology to create a seamless user experience. Features like real-time transaction alerts, budgeting insights, and automated savings go beyond traditional banking and turn the app into a financial assistant. Users report that GoToBank not only helps them manage money, but also encourages better financial habits, such as saving consistently and monitoring spending patterns closely. Compared to other digital banking options like Chime, Varo, or Current, GoToBank holds its own by emphasizing inclusivity and a wide-reaching checking account experience. Chime focuses heavily on mobile banking with no fees. Varo emphasizes high-yield savings, and Current targets fast payments and budgeting tools. GoToBank balances these approaches, offering early direct deposit, overdraft coverage, and savings tools under one platform, making it particularly attractive for individuals seeking an all-around digital banking experience. In terms of mobile experience, the GoToBank app is clean, responsive, and user-friendly. Navigation is straightforward, balances are easily viewed, and transactions are tracked in real time. Users can categorize expenses, view trends, and manage transfers between checking and savings without friction. For a digital-first generation, this intuitive design is crucial. Feedback from users highlights both the strengths and potential areas for improvement. Many appreciate the low-fee structure, early access to deposits, and real-time notifications. Some users, however, wish for more advanced features like personal loans, credit building tools, or financial planning integrations. These are areas where traditional banks or other fintech competitors may offer more options, but GoToBank excels at simplicity and accessibility. So, is GoToBank worth it in 2025? For individuals who value digital-first banking, want low fees, and need basic checking and savings functionality, the answer is yes. GoToBank offers a reliable, fast, and intuitive platform for everyday financial management, with added benefits like early deposits, overdraft coverage, and automated savings. For users requiring physical branches, business banking, loans, or investments, it may need to be paired with other services. In conclusion, GoToBank is a solid choice for anyone seeking a straightforward, low-cost,